Season's greetings, my fellow Homo sapiens. I'm here in the beautiful Elora, Ontario. I'm in the downtown area. I'm gonna explore this beautiful area while it's snowing. In this beautiful festive season with my sexy stencil scarf. Woohoo! Join me along for the adventure. Elora is so magical here in the winter. This is the town next to Fergus, Ontario. I visited there in the summer. So it has similar cool English, Scottish vibes, Irish vibes. right now I'm walking to Victoria Park to check out the amazing nature spot they have there that's open during the winter time. So let's go check out the beauty of this place. I drove into Elora last night and you should have seen how magical my drive was. It was snowing and the roads were all glitter and the snow was hitting my windshield and it looked like I was going through a portal or a time traveling machine to another dimension. It was so sick. It happens once in a while on my trips where I have an extra magical moment that I can't even explain. It's just like this amazing feeling I get. It's like time stops and I'm in this magical place and feeling and moment. It's the best. I'm walking towards this amazing bridge they have here right now. I'm gonna show you guys this sick gorge called Elora Gorge. They have this conservation that's only open in the summertime and you can explore this amazing gorge from below. But I'm gonna show you the view from the top. It's gonna be sick. And I'm gonna come here in the summer and experience this place in the summer because I wanna go to that conservation and feel the vibes in the summertime. So check it out now in the winter from the bridge. Check this out, how amazing this is. Check out the other side, see its glory, magic and glory. Wow, amazing. Alright, I'm going to explore this town in the nighttime. There's a Christmas market here and glowing lights. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed my video. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Happy Hanukkah. Happy solstice. See you in the next one. Bye.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let yourself be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. The years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Until then we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas